Electric bikes offer one of the most low-impact and senior-friendly modes of exercise. Their motors can help to take the edge off of hills that seniors using traditional pedal bikes might otherwise avoid. Yet, depending on the type of e-bike, they can still require enough physical effort to make for a great workout. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best electric bikes for seniors you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Lectric XP 3.0 e-bike perfectly balances affordability, power, and versatility, making it a standout option in its class. Its foldable frame is a game-changer for those in tight living spaces, ensuring easy storage without compromising performance. Available in both step-through and high-step designs, it accommodates a wide range of riders, with the step-through model being particularly suited for seniors or those seeking a more accessible ride. Powered by a robust 500-watt motor, the XP 3.0 is classified as a Class 2 e-bike with a 20 mph top speed via throttle or pedal assist. Adventurous riders can unlock Class 3 speeds through the onboard display. The 500-watt-hour battery delivers an impressive range of up to 45 miles, ensuring plenty of ride time between charges. Practicality is a hallmark of the XP 3.0. Its integrated cargo rack supports up to 150 pounds, perfect for groceries, essentials, or even a small passenger, while the total payload capacity reaches an impressive 330 pounds. Riders between 4 feet 10 inches and 6 feet 1 inch tall will find this bike fits their needs comfortably. At around $1,000 US, it's a budget-friendly marvel that doesn't skimp on features. The Rad Power Bike's RadKick is a lightweight urban cruiser designed for effortless commuting and recreational rides. Available in 2 models, a single-speed version with a durable belt drive and a 7-speed traditional chain and cassette, the RadKick adapts to varied rider needs. The single-speed model includes a torque sensor, providing extra motor assistance based on pedaling intensity, while the 7-speed version features a cadence sensor paired with a 500-watt rear hub motor for smooth power delivery. Built for both speed and control, the RadKick offers a solid, agile ride. Its wide handlebars and responsive twist throttle enhance maneuverability, while the Class 2 20 mph speed limit ensures safe and manageable cycling. The inclusion of commuter essentials, integrated fenders, bright lights, and a sturdy cargo rack elevates its practicality without adding unnecessary complexity. What sets the RadKick apart is its simplicity and focus on functionality. Its design prioritizes ease of use, allowing riders to jump on and go without extra adjustments or concerns. Whether navigating bustling city streets or enjoying a casual weekend ride, the RadKick combines reliability, quality, and affordability. The Aventon Aventure .2 ST is a powerhouse e-bike designed for versatility and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for seniors, commuters, and adventurers alike. Its 750-watt motor provides robust assistance, and the 4-inch knobby tires combined with a front suspension ensure smooth rides across various terrains, from paved streets to light trails. With a torque sensor, the motor responds intuitively to your pedaling, delivering a seamless experience. Equipped with a 720 watt-hour battery, the Aventure.2 ST boasts an impressive range of over 55 miles per charge, ensuring worry-free longer rides. The step-through frame with an 18.8-inch standover height is thoughtfully designed for easy mounting, catering to riders with limited mobility. The payload capacity of 400 pounds accommodates larger riders or hefty loads, making it practical for errands or outings. Accessories enhance functionality, including bright front and rear lights, integrated turn signals, durable fenders, and a rear cargo rack for carrying essentials. Whether you're running errands, exploring the outdoors, or enjoying a casual neighborhood ride, The Adventure.2 ST blends convenience, comfort, and power into a single elegant package. The Velotric Discover 2 redefines accessibility and comfort in the e-bike world, designed with senior riders in mind. Its step-through frame offers effortless mounting and dismounting, while a smooth ride is assured by its plush saddle and ergonomic handlebars. This e-bike merges comfort with safety, featuring turn signals, a customizable brake light, and UL certification to inspire confidence on every ride. Riders can tailor their experience with customizable settings through the intuitive display of Velotric app. 3 riding modes, low, medium, and high, offer versatile pedal assistance, complemented by the option to switch between torque and cadence sensing. The adjustable stem allows users to fine-tune handlebar height and reach for a personalized fit. Practicality shines with its MIK cargo rack, capable of carrying up to 66 pounds, perfect for groceries or a child seat. The powerful battery charges fully in under 5 hours using a 3-amp charger, ensuring minimal downtime. For added ease, the cruise control function delivers a seamless riding experience. Combining style and functionality, the Velotric Discover 2 is packed with features at an excellent price point. The Aventon Pace 500.3 is a stellar option for seniors seeking a comfortable, practical, and enjoyable e-bike. Weighing just 52 pounds, it's lightweight enough for easy handling, making it ideal for those with reduced strength. Its step-through frame, featuring a low standover height of just 16 inches, ensures effortless mounting and dismounting, especially for riders with limited mobility. Available in 2 sleek frame sizes in various colors, it also brings a touch of modern style. With its upright riding position and agile handling, the Pace 500.3 blends the comfort of a beach cruiser with the practicality of a city commuter. Equipped with a 500-watt motor and a responsive torque sensor, it delivers smooth and intuitive power. The 614 watt-hour battery offers an impressive range of over 60 miles on a single charge, perfect for extended rides. This Class 2 e-bike can be upgraded via Aventon's app to a Class 3, allowing pedal assist up to 28 miles per hour for those who crave a bit more speed. Whether you're returning to cycling or embracing it anew, the Aventon Pace 500.3 promises a reliable and adaptable ride. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.